Mm. Got to say, the steak does taste amazingly.
Oh, it does good. Yeah.
And this is a very cheap cut of steak too.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like an expensive cut. And I think the salt and pepper seasoning is doing, as I said, a lot of the heavy lifting.
Mm. So seriously, if you can, just open that packet up.
Season it, makes all the difference.
Salt and pepper before. There's the whole idea of, we'll season the food at the point of service, but in terms of absorption into the meat, the salt and pepper needs to be in there a few hours before.
I agree. It's a reasonable caramelization on the
side that we left down, yeah.
on the side that we left down.
If the barbecue could throw more heat, if it had some ventilation, if it just had another cheap little grate that the coals could sit on, so the air could get under it, it'd actually be good.
It would actually be more furnace-like.
Okay. So let's take our
transfer those.
Sorry?
Do you want to transfer them?
No, I'm going to try and move it with them on.
Okay. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's not that hard.
Genius.
So with a decent pair of tongs, there's no problem. Look, there was some cooking going on at that higher level, but
I'm looking forward to a bit more cooking.
I'm looking forward to a lot more cooking. Yeah. I mean, the sausage is browned up a bit.